Hey friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Heather. Today I'm going to be cleaning our bathrooms and I'm going to be using all natural products. So I wanted to show you how I make them and then how I use them and get our bathrooms clean. I don't like cleaning the bathrooms. It's probably my least favorite thing to clean in the house, but it has to be done. So let's get to it. If you like these kind of videos, please be sure to subscribe and like. Thanks so much. Okay, so I made myself a little list so I wouldn't forget anything. This is what we are going to clean in the bathrooms today. I'm going to make sure to do the shower, the sink, the floors, towels, toilet, mirrors, counters, and possibly clean our rugs too. So for all of this, what I'm going to do is make a soft scrub that I'm going to use for the shower and the sinks and the toilet. And then I'll be using another cleaner for everything else. All right, so for my homemade soft scrub, I'm going to be using baking soda. So we're gonna start with about a cup of baking soda. And really, it just kind of depends how much you think you're gonna need, but this is a good place to start. So I typically buy like these big boxes of baking soda. Let's see if you can see. Because I do use it so much for cleaning. So I'm going to just eyeball about a cup in here. Whoop. Okay, well that's way more than a cup. But that's okay, I'll probably need it because I'm gonna do several bathrooms today. Next, I'm going to pour in some Thieves Household Cleaner, which is ultra concentrated, so you really don't need that much. And it is a plant-based cleaner made with the Thieves Essential Oil. So I really love it, it smells wonderful. And I don't know about you, when you're cleaning in your bathroom, you're in such a small area. If you use some of those other cleaners, it can really hurt your respiratory system, your breathing, and it just doesn't smell that good. So that's why I like using these natural cleaners. Okay, so we're using Thieves Cleaner. Then next we're gonna do some white vinegar. You don't need very much, just a splash. So about maybe a tablespoon. Woo. And then after that, I'm going to add in a little bit of lemon oil. The reason I like using lemon is it gets a lot of the sticky stuff off surfaces. So I'm going to do about 10 drops and then it just smells good. So once we are done with that, then we'll just mix it up. So I'm actually going to add in just a little bit more of the cleaner because I like it to be more of a paste. So I'm going to add just a little bit more. And if you have leftover of this, once you're finished cleaning, you can just put it in a glass jar and it will keep for a long time. Okay, you can kind of see now it's kind of a paste. So again, you can kind of adjust it to the thickness that you want.
So I'm going to grab the towels and put them in the laundry while I'm cleaning the bathroom. I usually wash my towels in either warm or hot water, and then I'm just going to use the Thieves laundry soap to wash them. I like to start off by spraying the whole shower with my Thieves spray. Then I'm going to take out all the shampoo and body wash, all that good stuff, so I can really get the shower clean. So now I'm going to take that soft scrub that I made, and using a wet sponge, I just rub it all over the bottom of my shower and just scrub. I'm going to let it sit here for about 10 minutes while I'm cleaning other things, and then I'll come back and wash it off with water. I try to do this kind of deeper bathroom clean at least once a week, but like I mentioned before, bathrooms aren't my favorite. So sometimes I don't clean the shower floor for a couple weeks. So now I'm just going to take everything off the countertops so I'm able to wipe them down, and then I'm going to use the soft scrub again in the sinks to clean the sinks out.
We fall apart, piece by piece. That's how the little things get huge. Just keep on moving through the beat. Don't let them get the best of you.
So I'm cleaning off my mirrors just with my Thieves household cleaner spray. Just going to wipe them down with a microfiber cloth
I told
and
you
then move on to the countertops.
we are not getting cold, so keep on dancing, baby.
So again, I'm using my Thieves spray. That's one thing I really love about it is that you can use it for basically everything in your house. So I'm just going to give the countertops a good wipe down. I'm going to wipe out the sinks real quick and then use the soft scrub in the sinks to really give them a nice deep clean. I also love that the Thieves is plant-based and that my kids can even use it and help me clean when they're around. So it's just a nice alternative to some of the other cleaning products.
Let you get the best of me in bed with my worst enemy. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Back up and get me home. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Back up and get me. So put your hand in mine. Follow me. Let me waste your time. C'est la vie. Do some stupid shit. Take a seat. Let me waste your time. So put your
Right now I'm going to make a spray for the glass shower walls. I'm going to use my Thieves dish soap. I'm going to use the Thieves cleaner again and then just fill it with water. I'm just using a regular spray bottle. This one just happens to be glass. It's one I had around. But you're just going to add in a little bit of the Thieves cleaner, a little bit of the dish soap, some warm water, give it a nice shake, and it works great on the glass. And then once I finish using this to clean the glass, then I'll keep it in our bathroom and spray down the shower probably every other day. It just kind of helps keep the germs at bay and keep the shower clean.
This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Back up and get me. So put your hand in mine. Follow me. Let me waste your time. C'est la vie. Do some stupid shit. Take a seat. Let me waste your time.
So again, I'm just using the cleaner we just made up and a microfiber cloth to clean the glass shower door and the glass enclosures. It works so well, especially if you keep up with it. I try to do this at least once a week, if not twice a week. Another thing we do is every time we take a shower, we take a window scraper and scrape down the excess water inside the shower, and it just helps keep that hard water off the glass. I'm going to use the same spray to clean off the shower head and the shower handles and give them a good wipe down.
I don't wanna be alone. Spend too much time by myself. So many things that I still don't know. It's
I decided to go ahead and wash our floor mats. So while they are in the laundry, I am mopping the floor and I am using the thieves cleaner again. I just mixed it with some warm water and added a couple drops of pine essential oil. So that's what I'm using to clean the floors. And then once the mats are all washed and dried, I'll put them back on the floor. All right, it's toilet time. I'm gonna clean this off and then we will almost be done.
I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now. Not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life. Hey, yeah. Oh, I'm not give you more of my life. Movies make it look so easy. 15 minutes, then you're breezing. Movies make it look so easy. Whoa. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong.
Thanks for joining me today while I cleaned my bathroom. I hope it gave you some motivation. Don't forget to check out my other cleaning videos. I will link them down below.
I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste